In our last video, you learn about this, that, these and those. Next, you learn about describing words. Describing words means the words which tell you more about some naming words or describing words. Read these sentences. The caterpillar hid under the green leaf. Caterpillar is a naming words describing the green color. The green tell about the color. The green is a describing word. The second sentence, the beautiful butterfly sat on the bush. Butterfly is a naming words describing the beautiful. Butterfly look like a beautiful, no? The beautiful is a describing word. Describing words, the words used for a color, size, shape and numbers. And some more examples in the describing words. The first one, underline all the describing words. Here no, the describing words, you identify the describing words and underline. Suman went to see a circus in the huge tent. Suman is a naming words. The describing words, which one no describing words? The huge is the describing words. Huge means large, big. So the words used color, size ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಸೈಜು, ಶೇಪು, ಕಲರು, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಜು, ಲಾರ್ಜ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ show it wonderful acts. Wonderful is describing words. Suman liked the funny jokers. Funny is a describing words. But he did not like to see the dangerous acts with fire. Dangerous is a describing word. The word power, read the sentence. The butterfly was happy, but the caterpillar was sad. Butterfly was a happy. Caterpillar was a sad. Happy and sad are words with the opposite meanings. Happy ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಡು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ಸ್. ಏನು ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ and opposite words. First one, give, take, fast, slow, open, shut, sad, happy, hot, cold. Give ಗೆ take opposite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. fast, slow, open, shut, sad, happy, hot, cold. These are all the opposite meanings, opposite words. Yes. Next, the punctuation. Punctuation. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We end it with a full stop. The letter I is always used as a capital letter. Whether we begin a sentence with it or use it in the middle of a sentence. Here no, the first sentence, my brother and Ravi go to the market every Sunday. Here no, the first sentence is the starting. We start a sentence with a capital letter. You write no sentence. The first letter is a big letter, the capital letter. You write no, the first letter is capital letter and ending with a full stop. Sentence ending ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? full stop ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. The first letter, you write sentence no, the first letter is a capital letter and ending with a full stop. ಎಂಡಿಂಗು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಬೈ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. They means the first letter is a capital letter and ending with a full stop. And always, I is always used as a capital letter. I na ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. We also use capital letters from special names, names of people and pets and places. The capital letters, the special names, you write no the special names, you always write no the capital letter. The first letter is a capital letter. Rewrite the sentence using the capital letters and full stops. Here no this sentence you rewrite the sentence using the capital letters and full stop. You rewrite the sentence. ಈ sentence na rewrite ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First you write the first letter is a big letter, capital letter, and ending with a full stop. Don't write comma. Yes, this is no comma. Don't write. You again write sentence. The first letter is first letter capital letter and ending with full stop. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಓ ರೈಟ್, ಓನ ಬಿಗ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಎಂಡಿಂಗು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಯು ಪುಟ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. This also write again write she. Yes, this is small letter. You rewrite the sentence again and write yes capital letter and ending with a full stop. I am sick, so lay in bed listening to her. I is capital letter. Here this is small letter. You change, write I big letter and ending with the full stop. Put the full stop. My cat goes to the kitchen when Meena sings. And my is small letter. You change small letter. Write the first letter is a capital letter. Write and ending with full stop. Ending only write full stop. Put the full stop. Granny likes to hear the Meena singing. The granny, change the first letter is a big letter, capital letter right, and lost the ending with full stop. Put the full stop. Okay, children, you learn and write this. Keep learning and thank you.